In today's video, I'm going to teach you why it's a great idea to connect Google Drive to YouTube and how you can make this work for you. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to efficiently move your video content from Google Drive to your YouTube channel, harnessing the power of these two platforms seamlessly. So, why should you consider connecting Google Drive to YouTube in the first place? Firstly, it streamlines your workflow by allowing you to upload videos that are stored in Google Drive directly to YouTube. This connectivity between the two can offer immense convenience, especially for those who frequently produce video content. Moreover, because both Google Drive and YouTube are part of the Google ecosystem, sharing files between your accounts becomes incredibly straightforward. This integration can be very beneficial, reducing the hassle of constant uploads and downloads. Finally, another significant advantage is saving precious space on your computer. By avoiding unnecessary downloads, you can keep your storage free for other important files and documents. Now, before we dive into the process, it's crucial to make sure you're properly signed in to both accounts. Head over to drive.google.com and log into your Google Drive account. After you're set on Google Drive, navigate to youtube.com and sign into your YouTube channel. As a little tip, it's best to use the same Google account for both services. This ensures smooth integration and helps maintain everything organized within the same ecosystem. Next, let's go over how to upload content from Google Drive to YouTube. Unfortunately, at the moment, YouTube doesn't have a direct upload from Drive button, but there's an easy workaround. Allow me to guide you through a simple method that you can implement right away. Start by opening your Google Drive, find the video you wish to upload, right-click on it, and select the download option. This will download your video onto your computer. Once that's done, head back over to YouTube. You'll want to locate the create button, often displayed as a camera icon in the top right corner, and select upload video. With the upload interface open, simply choose the downloaded video file from your computer and initiate the upload process. Follow YouTube's on-screen instructions to complete the video details and settings, and you'll be all set. While this method requires a download first, it's currently the most straightforward way to transfer your videos from Google Drive to YouTube. By following these steps, you should now have a better grasp of how to efficiently use Google Drive alongside YouTube to enhance your video uploading process. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this workflow as helpful as I do. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Until next time, happy uploading.